As I said earlier, in order for the bull market to start, bearish signals need to be invalidated. This is what caused a short squeeze, as whales really like to hunt down liquidity. If whales see a lot of short trades right around this level at 45,000, they're going to want to surpass this and begin liquidating traders in order to pump the market to make more money for themselves. Bitcoin is slowly dropping back down after rejecting structural resistance at $45,000. And despite very bearish signals over the next few days, we may actually see a little bit of a move back up before we continue our downwards trend. And in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why that is and give you some resources on how to make the next best move. Let's make it happen. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident LLC, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. And if you are new here, we're so excited to trade with you. If you head down to the description of the video you're watching right now, you can join our 106 wins now, 106 wins, zero loss trade call strategy, daily crypto metrics, and access our insane members-only content with our $1 million profit account challenge with our membership at the first link. You can get 60% off our indicators at the second link, and you can join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Now, before we jump into the analysis, we have a brand new trade win, 4%. Congratulations to anyone that took the algo trade on April 17th of 2023. This is one of our last long-term holding trades, and I think the next one is going to be winning soon. So stay updated on that. We're 106 wins, 0 losses. And if we scroll down here to the crypto forecast video, brand new one was just released. Bitcoin just took out over $300 million worth of longs today. And here's what comes next. This is going to be absolutely crucial. He's going to be talking about the shorthand long-term. I'm talking 2-year outlook for Bitcoin. You're going to want to see this. We discussed this data last night in a team meeting, and it is something you cannot miss. If you want to be able to call the next top of the Bitcoin market, you need to watch this video as well. Access that at this link with a membership. And with that, we're going to scroll down to the Bitcoin metrics to begin our analysis. The very first metric you're taking a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. As you can see right here, with a tiny price drop, we are seeing a drop down into excited territory. This is still highly bullish, and because of that, over the next week or so, if not a little bit more, we are expecting some more significant moves to the downside. Most often when we get excited readings, this is where we're seeing drops in the market. However, this was earlier on. You can see now, even if we are seeing excited and greedy readings, the drops are much less significant. As we move into the bull market, bearish signals need to be invalidated. That's just how it works. And with that, we do need to pay attention to the volatility breakout detector, because as you can see right here, the last time we dropped into the breakout zone, we saw massive moves in the market. Breakout zone, big move. Breakout zone, massive move up. The last 3 times this happened, it resulted in crazy pumps that brought us to where we're at today. Anytime we're seeing breakout zone readings, this is when we're seeing crazy volatility in the market. So you cannot afford to miss the next signal on the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. Now, this is not going to tell you direction, only the size of the move. If you want to see the direction, you got to follow what whale money is doing. And based on what we're seeing right now, in the near future, it looks like whales are more likely to short trade the market. This is very normal, especially after massive pumps. Whales will like to take profit at this level to make money off their long trades, and as the price drops, take short trades in order to make money on the way back down. Whales are masters of making money. That's why we always follow them. Now, this metric tells you what whales are likely to do soon, but the whale money flow relative to price chart shows you what whales are doing right this second. Now, whale money dropped out and then moved back up today. This is what caused a slight dip and moved back up. You got to pay attention to how little this affected the market, though. This little drop dropped the market very, very little, but this move up caused a massive pump in Bitcoin. So upside potential is huge for whales. Even if we see a little bit of a move up, just back to our previous high, this could shoot the price of Bitcoin up like crazy. This is very, very sensitive to bullish behavior right now, so we need to pay very close attention to this metric. Now that we know what whales are doing, we need to be looking at major support and resistance levels for our targets. Now, currently, we're only seeing $37,999 for our structure support. At this point, I'm hesitant to say we would drop to that point. 4,000 is our absolute possible bottom. And at this point, we need to be looking a little bit higher for our resistance around $45,000. I'll tell you more about that in the live charts. And last but not least, we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Now, this is 2 bearish candles in a row. Most often, this will result in a sell or strong sell signal. You can can see right here, as upward momentum ran out and began moving back down, this is where we got a strong sell signal, but we have to be extremely careful. As I said earlier, in order for the bull market to start, bearish signals need to be invalidated. This is what caused a short squeeze, as whales really like to hunt down liquidity. If whales see a lot of short trades right around this level at 45,000, they're going to want to surpass this and begin liquidating traders in order to pump the market to make more money for themselves. Whales are market makers. They are masters of market manipulation, so we have to be very careful. But as a heads up, because we are still expecting at least smaller moves down, a sell signal most often, even back here, does result in moves down too. So a very small pullback followed by a possible short squeeze is what we're looking for if we get a sell or strong sell signal. Now, if you're a Bitcoin trader, you need to pay very close attention to these metrics. Our members can access the Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. It is crucial data. And you're not going to want to miss out on the future forecast video just posted talking about those crazy liquidations. You do not want to miss the trade setups. We are now 106 wins, 0 losses, with many more trades on the way through 2023 and on into 2024. Inner Circle Live Zoom Hangout, major discounts on indicators, and many more benefits for our members. If you want to get access, all you got to do is check out the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the first link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our membership page. The full access membership is what you're looking for. Now, this is $59 a month, but price increases up to $95 a month are coming soon. So snag this price while you still can. It's going to include everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we're heading into the live charts. Right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus one money flow, and trades in favor indicators. As of right now, price versus one money flow is high, trades in favor is high with an 84% chance of a drop. This is very bearish, and this is why in the last video too, I'm expecting a price move down to around $40,000 at maximum. From there, we should see whale money has dropped, because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. Whale money should drop the price, and as the price drops, we should see downward momentum run out as we hit the structure support. And when we get price versus one money flow and trades in favor low, this is where we're looking for much more bullish signals, possible moves to the upside. Ideally, in my mind, as high as 48,000 due to, if we go to the weekly time frame here, the golden zone levels on a Fibonacci retracement. We're already about halfway up through, and most often once you push past this little area, the yellow line, it's almost a surefire sign of a move up to the top of the zone around the white line, which, once again, if you track all the way to the left, sits at $48,000. Now, on the weekly time frame, if we zoom back in here, we are still seeing price versus one money flow and trades in favor high with a 99% chance of a drop. This is where we are looking for moves down to $40,000 again. But at this point, Travis showed me this earlier, where we're going to take you to the 2-hour time frame. On this time frame, price versus one money flow is actually low. This means they have oversold and are likely to begin moving money back into the market soon, with trades in favor low with a 57% chance of a pump. This tells me that at least on the lower time frames, we may actually see moves up here to find a closer structure resistance that we've recently created at $44,290. I'm going to go as high and say $44,500, but our actual resistance sits at $44,290. Now, I know this is a small move up from the current price. This is only a move of about like 1.7%, nothing crazy, but that is something to keep a lookout for. We are likely to retest this resistance and continue riding it. And on higher time frames, I'm talking like 1 to 2 weeks out, this is where we're going to be looking for the larger moves down. It's a lot of fun to explore different time frames and see how things play out. Typically, lower time frames will play out first. I'm going to remove this. Lower time frames will play out first, followed by higher and higher time frames. So a little bit of a move up to $44,200 as we move back down to $40,000, because both the 1 day and 1 week time frame are showing that. Once we get a drop to $40,000, this is where we're likely looking to see a move up to $48,000. Now, from $40,000 on up to $48,000, this is almost a 20%. This is a 19.46% move to the upside. Once again, this is likely to take a couple of months. The drop is going to take quite a while. I'm talking 1 to 2 weeks, maybe even a month out, followed by that crazy move back to the upside is likely to take even longer. longer. So I know people in the comments are going to be telling me this move didn't play out. Just be patient. It's going to take a long time. The crypto market can move pretty slowly sometimes, and I think this is exactly what's happening. And also keep in mind, $40,000 is the maximum. Anywhere in this range is where Bitcoin could begin moving back to the upside. My eventual and actual target at this point is $48,000. I just think there's going to be a drawback before that based on the highly bearish signals we're seeing in the market. Now, the best way to stay updated, once again, as the price drops, as well money moves out of the market, to drop the price, which drops the trades in favor, to catch the bottom, whether it's at this structure support or a little bit higher, you're going to be looking for price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and ideally a buy signal, all of which would result in massive moves up. It's very, very common for that to happen. Also keep in mind, because we are in a bull market and transitioning to that, we don't need to see price versus while money flow or trades in favor nearly as low as we usually do. What is typically a neutral reading around 50 on both of these indicators is enough to shoot the price up. You can see right here, move up. Right here, crazy move up. Both of these saw only a middle of their chart reading. We do not need to see anything crazy bullish in order for major moves up to happen, because in a transitioning bull market, any amount of bullish data is really, really bullish. So in order to stay updated, you need to pay very, very close attention to these indicators day by day. And I have good news for you. I can help you get them for up to $550 off right now. You do not want to miss the next signals. Check this out. Once again, links are in the description down below. You're going to scroll down, and it's going to be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the pro indicator page. Now, this is crazy. This person made 16% with us. This person made almost $9,000 with their account, up over 39%. Absolutely insane. If we scroll back up here, the best possible deal is going to be to purchase the pro indicator pack with a membership. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than without one. Once you have your membership, be sure to take full advantage of those money-making benefits. Don't miss the future forecast video. But what you're going to want to do here is click access coupon code. Write that code down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off. And combined with the membership discount, that's a full $550 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in that future forecast video and the next trade setups for our membership. Do not miss out.